Hello friends, today we will consider the shape of the atomic orbitals. As we know, electrons behaves like waves and these are present in the atoms around the nucleus. Now the question is, what is the arrangement of electrons in the atom? The energy and the position of electrons are described by four quantum numbers and atomic orbitals. Orbitals are three-dimensional area around the nucleus where probability of finding the electron is maximum. It means where the electron can be found. These orbitals are of four types: S, P, D and F. Firstly, we will consider S orbital. S orbital is spherically symmetrical and non-directional. It means it is round in shape and has electron density in all directions same. It means as in the z direction, in x direction and in y direction, in all direction electron density is same. The probability of finding the electron is same. So there is no nodal plane. What is nodal plane? The nodal plane is the plane where the probability of finding electron is 0. So here in all direction probability is equal, so there is no nodal plane. Now we will consider p orbital. There are three p orbitals: px, py and pz. These are dumbbell shaped. It means each of these possess two lobes. The electron density is present in the form of two lobes. So these are directional. It means they are directed in one direction. For example, py orbital, the electron density is directed in y direction, y axis. In px orbital, the electron density is directed in x direction. Its lobes lies on x axis. In pz orbital, the electron density is present in z direction. Its lobes lie in z axis. Each of these possesses one nodal plane. For example, in py orbital, the nodal plane is present in zx direction. In px orbital, the nodal plane is present in yz plane. In pz orbital, the nodal plane is xy plane. Now we will consider the d orbital. There are 5 d orbitals. These d orbitals are double dumbbell shaped. It means each of them possesses 4 lobes. These are dx, dxz, dyz, dx square minus y square and dz square. In dxy, its lobe lie between x and y axis. It means the electron density is present between the x axis and y axis. In dxz orbital, the electron density is present between the x axis and z axis. In dyz orbital, the electron density is present between the y-axis and z-axis. Now, in dx square minus y square orbital, its lobes lies directly on the x-axis and y-axis. In this case, the nodal planes are this and this. These two are at the angle of 45 degree to each other. In the case of dz square orbital, we see here two lobes only. It means there is only one dumbbell shaped. The another dumbbell shaped electron density is present in the form of circle. It means one electron density is present in the form of one dumbbell and the another electron density is circular. So in the case of dz square, there is no nodal plane, while in all other d orbital there are two nodal planes present. In the case of dxy, the nodal planes are yz and xz. In the case of dxz, the nodal planes are xy and zy. In the case of dyz, the nodal planes are yx and zx. Now we comes to f orbital. F orbital is triple dumbbell shaped. It means it possesses 6 orbitals. It possesses 6 lobes. It is directional and it has 3 nodal planes. These f orbitals are 7 and their shapes are very complicated. These are fx cube, fy cube, fz cube, fx z square minus y square, fy x square minus y square, fz x square minus z square, and fxyz. This all is about the shape of the atomic orbitals. Thank you for watching this video.